When you search for the best low-profile TV wall mount, everything looks almost identical. Same features, same claims. But to really find what works and what's just pretty, you've got to dig a bit deeper. Product number 1, USX Mount Ultra Slim. First up is the USX Mount Ultra Slim TV wall mount. Priced at $75.99, this low-profile mount caught my attention because it supports TVs from 37 to 90 inches, making it a solid choice for a wide range of setups. If you want a reliable and flexible mount, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. With its ultra-slim design, it only sits 1.45 inches away from the wall, saving you valuable space while still allowing for a full range of motion. It features tilt adjustments of plus 10 degrees/10 degrees and a swivel of plus or minus 45 degrees, so you can get the perfect viewing angle without any glare. Plus, it supports up to 120 pounds, ensuring it can handle your TV without a hitch. With over 12,500 reviews and an impressive 4.7-star rating, it's clear that users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up, you'll appreciate the flexibility and space-saving design. For those not very handy, it might take some extra time, but the effort is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a larger TV and want an adjustable mount that doesn't stick out too far from the wall. Skip this one if you're looking for a mount for a smaller screen or prefer a fixed option. It's a solid value for the price, especially with all its features. Now, if the installation complexity worried you, the next one on the list might actually be easier to handle. Product number 2, USX Mount Tilting TV Wall Mount. Next, we have the USX Mount Tilting TV Wall Mount, priced at just $26.99. This option immediately stands out because it's incredibly budget-friendly while still offering fantastic features. If you're after a reliable tilt mount that saves space, this one deserves your attention. It allows for a tilt angle of plus 0/10 degrees, which can really help in reducing glare based on where you sit. The ultra-slim profile means it sits only 1.61 inches away from the wall, creating a sleek look. With a 4.7-star rating and 12,500 reviews, it's clear this mount is popular. In fact, many buyers love how easy it is to install, thanks to pre-labeled hardware bags and a detailed instruction manual. However, some users mention that the tilt range isn't extensive enough. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly watching from a standard seating position, this tilt will likely be more than enough. It's more about adjusting to your height rather than extreme angles. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss installation that still gives you a decent viewing angle. Skip this if you expect to adjust the angle frequently or have a very high ceiling. At this price point, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want full motion. Product number 3, USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Now let's check out the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount, retailing at $47.99. This one really caught my eye because it combines flexibility with a solid build. If you want to adjust your viewing angle effortlessly, this is worth considering. This mount supports TVs between 37 and 84 inches and can hold up to 132 pounds. With its dual articulating arms, you can tilt it plus 5 degrees and swivel it plus or minus 45 degrees, allowing you to adapt to various seating arrangements. Plus, it can extend up to 15.02 inches from the wall, so you can pull it out for a better view when needed. Rated 4.7 stars from over 12,500 reviews, it speaks volumes about its performance. Here's my take: as long as you have standard stud spacing, you should be fine. It's a fantastic feature-rich mount that gives you a lot of flexibility. This is perfect for you if you often rearrange your furniture or just want a mount that can adapt as your viewing needs change. Skip this if you have a smaller space and don't need all the motion features. For the functionality, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something fixed but still low profile, the next option is just for you. Product number 4, USX Star Fix TV Wall Mount. Next up is the USX Star Fix TV Wall Mount, priced at $21.17. This one is interesting because it emphasizes simplicity and reliability. If you just want an easy setup that keeps your TV securely in place, this might be the one to consider. This mount fits TVs from 37 to 86 inches and can hold up to 132 pounds. It keeps your TV just 1.28 inches from the wall, which is great for a clean, low-profile look. It's rated at 4.7 stars based on 5,100 reviews, and its clear users appreciate its straightforward design. The quick lock and release function is particularly handy if you ever need to take your TV down. However, I've seen complaints about it being non-tilting. Here's the thing, if you're okay with a fixed mount and don't need to adjust the angle, this is a solid choice. Just make sure your viewing position is optimal. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, fixed mount without any fuss. Skip this if you plan on adjusting your TV angle frequently or have varying seating positions. At this price, it's hard to beat for the quality. Now, if you're looking for a reliable option from a well-known brand, the final product is definitely worth a look. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Low-Profile TV Wall Mount. Last but not least, we have the Amazon Basics Low-Profile TV Wall Mount, retailing at $35.99. This one is appealing because it comes from a trusted brand and offers solid performance. If you want something that's straightforward yet effective, this is a solid choice. With a low profile that sits only 1.3 inches from the wall, it maintains a sleek appearance. It's compatible with VESA sizes from 200x100 to 600x400. With a 4.6 star rating from 3,400 reviews, it's clear this option is well received. Some users have noted that it can feel a bit flimsy during installation. Here's the thing, once it's mounted correctly, the sturdy design holds up well. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, budget-friendly mount from a brand you can trust. Skip this if you need more advanced features like tilting or swiveling. For a straightforward option, it offers great value. That wraps up the reviews for these 5 low-profile TV wall mounts. To sum it up, we have the USX Mount Ultra Slim for flexibility, the USX Mount Tilting for budget-conscious users, the USX Mount Full Motion for those needing adaptability, the USX Star Fix for simplicity, and lastly, the Amazon Basics for brand reliability. No matter your preference, there's definitely a great option here for your TV mounting needs. Thanks for tuning in.